Robins are known for their distinctive red breast, which makes them easily recognizable. Sparrows are small, social birds often found in urban environments. Crows are highly intelligent birds with complex social structures. They are known for their problem-solving abilities. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of sustained hovering flight. They have incredibly fast wing beats. Eagles are large birds of prey known for their keen eyesight and powerful talons. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey known for their silent flight and exceptional hearing. They have forward-facing eyes. Pigeons, also known as rock doves, have been domesticated for thousands of years. Parrots are renowned for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech and other sounds.